Hey everyone, I'm Kat Fanton. I'm here today to talk to you about downloading your photos after your session. So, first things first, you're going to get an email from me after the session. There will be a link in that email that takes you to your gallery. And it is a beautiful gallery that has a cover page. When you're on the cover page, you're going to click the down arrow and it's going to take you to the gallery view that shows you all of your photos. In the top right-hand corner of your screen, you will see a little download icon. You're going to want to click on that and it's going to pop up and ask you which folders you'd like to download. For most sessions, you will have two folders. One will say print and one will say web. The print size files are the original size photo. It can be blown up huge, like on a canvas or a giant print, and the quality will be stunning, but they're a little bit larger photos. So I also provide you with web size files, and those are a smaller version of the photo that will be easier to upload to things like Facebook or Instagram or whatever social media sharing platform you use. The web size files also will have a small watermark in the top right-hand corner. This is to protect your photos from being stolen and shared around the web without your permission, which unfortunately does happen. There might also be a third folder that says print release or print authorization, and that just includes a PDF file that has all the legal mumbo jumbo for you to be able to print your photos at consumer labs. So you're going to select the folders that you want to download, or you can just click on all photos and it will download them all. And you will type in your email address. After that happens, wait a few minutes and then go check your email. Once you get the download email, it will provide you a download link for each folder. Click the download link and it'll bring up a new window. That window is where your download will begin, and it will download a zip folder. A zip folder is just a compressed version of your photos that then need to be unzipped to be uncompressed. It makes your download much faster without sacrificing quality. Once the download is done, you're going to want to open that zip folder and extract the files. The process will be different between different computers, but it's relatively the same for everybody. I wholeheartedly recommend that you download your photos to a desktop or a laptop computer. Downloading them to a phone or an iPad or what have you will compromise the image quality, and you won't be properly preserving those files. Really quick, I want to talk about image quality. I use professional photography equipment. That means that the photos that I produce and deliver to you are high quality, full resolution photos. If you go to your gallery on your phone and take a screenshot, and that's all you have, you only have that small little version of that photo. If you go to print that any larger than, say, an 8x10, the quality is going to be awful. In order to guarantee that you can go and print a 20x30 canvas of your images, you have to download these files. And a screenshot just doesn't cut it. When you take a screenshot, it doesn't represent the final product that you paid for. Once you have your photos downloaded and unzipped, you need to back them up. I cannot stress this enough. Either burn them to a CD or transfer them to a USB drive, whatever your preferred method is. You can even back them up to a cloud like Google Drive or Dropbox. This is so important because even though I maintain an archive of all of my client photos, I may not be around forever to be able to send them to you again. So again, really quick, when you get that original email from me that says, your photos from Kat Fanton Photography are ready, you're going to click on the gallery link in that email, and then you're going to download the photos from your gallery to a desktop or laptop computer, and then you're going to back them up. For those of you who haven't done this yet with your galleries, I'm not sure what you've done. Maybe you've screenshotted them or you just haven't gotten around to downloading them. Who knows? I don't know. Don't spend hundreds of dollars on professional photos and then never even download them. You deserve to have that original full-size image to keep forever and print as many times as you want. So if you haven't already, and I know a lot of you haven't, go and download your photos right now. If you need help, please feel free to contact me. I'm here to help you, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. Please download your photos. See you later.